Hello there, Annie. Came by to warn you, Bob Baloney escaped jail. Oh, I doubt he'll stick around. He's probably halfway to China by now.
I understand, Ed. We'll be cautious, and if he does show up, well, let's just say I ain't no stranger to blasting baddies. Read a devotion while you're here, handsome.
How can I say no? Let's see. Devotion 69. The children of Israel had demanded a king. In 1 Samuel 8:11 through 18, Samuel laid out exactly what they were in for if they got their way. The list was long and brutal. People thinking clearly would never have chosen to go that way. Nevertheless, Israel was determined to have their way on this. 1 Samuel 8:19. Nevertheless, the people refused to obey the voice of Samuel, and they said, Nay, but we will have a king over us, that we also may be like all nations, and that our king may judge us and go out before us and fight our battles. We see in verse 20 that their motivation for what they were asking was so that they could be like all the nations. This was an excellent case of the grass is always greener on the other side of the fence. But since they were determined, God told Samuel to give them their way. 1 Samuel 8:22, and the Lord said to Samuel, Hearken unto their voice, and make them a king. In very short order they would have their first king, and 3 kings after that they would have a civil war that irrevocably split the nation and led to the eventual downfall of both sides. It was a very short trip from getting their way to wishing they hadn't. Do remember that if you push hard enough, God may very well give you your way. And if that ever happens, you will inevitably reach a point where you wish that he hadn't.
Following God's will is a better way. Good lesson. Thank you for reading to me, Ed.
You betcha, gorgeous. Friends, have a blessed day.